Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Techish Dude. If you are thinking about how do I change my Windows cursor or how do I make it more creative, then this video is for you people. In this video, I'll be showing you people two ways to change or make your cursor more appealing as per your need. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. The first way is by going to the mouse settings and then changing your pointer from there. So for that, just click on the search bar at the bottom and then type in mouse settings. Click on the best match, and now on the right hand side below related settings you'll be seeing two options. The first one is adjust mouse and cursor size and the second one is additional mouse options. So click on additional mouse options. Now click on the pointers tab. Under scheme you'll be seeing a drop down list, so just click on that. So when you click on that, you'll be able to see a lot of default pointers that the Windows provide you. You can click on any one of them. I'll click on magnified system. So when you click on that, you'll be able to see how your cursor, that particular cursor, would look like in the preview area. If you click on Windows Black Extra Large, you'll be able to see how your cursor looks. So you can try any one of these cursors, and if it fits your need, then good and fine. Just click on apply. After selecting the scheme, just click on apply and you'll get applied. That's it. Now there will be people thinking that no, this is not what I need something more creative. No worries, I'll take you to a website. From there you can search all kind of cursors that you need. So the name of the website is Real World Graphics. The link to the particular website I'll be giving it in the description box. You can click from there. So this is how the home page of this particular website looks like. So at the top you have like around 5 tabs. So click on the gallery tab. So when you click on gallery tab, you will be able to see the latest addition of cursors, and also there's a search bar for you to search the type of cursor that you need. For example, if I need some cursor like with a fire kind of thing, fire cursor, you can say fire cursor, I'll just type in fire and then click on search. Now you can see all the kind of fire cursors. So just check in which one fits your need. You are having more than 23 pages, so definitely you'll be finding the cursor of your need. For time being, I'm just clicking on the second one. So I'm just clicking on that, and there's an option to download. Just click on download. Save it in the location that you prefer. I'm saving it in the local disk D. Just click on save now. So now the cursor is being downloaded. So just go to your particular location where you have saved your file. Okay, so this particular file that I downloaded is a zip file. So you need to extract the files first. So just right click on it and then click on extract here. So now you've got like around more than 10 cursors with a fire shade in it. To use any one of these cursors, what you have to do is you have to go back to the same settings. Click on pointers, and now you'll be seeing an option called as browse. So just click on that, and you will be seeing all the cursors that you have downloaded in that particular location. So if I want to use this cursor, I'll just click on that and then click on open, and now you can see how your cursor would look like in the preview area. If this is fine, then just click on apply and OK. The cursor with flames in it, it looks amazing, right? Alright, if you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe to our channel so that you won't be missing out the new videos that I post. So catch you people tomorrow with another video. Till then, bye, take care.